Sophia Tube here, and we're going to be making like this yogurt dip for like fruit and other stuff. So what you'll need is a bowl, a 1 cup measuring almond extract, some honey, some vanilla yogurt, a spoon, and 1 tablespoon. So first grab your bowl, and then we're going to scoop 1 cup of vanilla yogurt. Gotta get this open, like that, so you can see the yogurt right there. And we're just going to, smells good, so we're going to just scoop a cup of...
You got about a half there. You do the same things twice, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You just gotta get close. There you go.
And then, so we got 1 cup. Sink. Okay, now I'm gonna put this cap on, and I'm gonna put it back in the refrigerator so it stays fresh. So here we go, back in the refrigerator. Next, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey. So we're just going to open this somehow. Okay, got it open. It's all sticky. Okay, so now we're going to place this.
Like I said, you can see the amount that goes in there, right? So just kind of, you don't even need to put it in there. Just kind of, just do like this. Watch. And then you just say, okay, that looks like enough, right?
Okay, that's there. So we got our then grab your spoon.
What about the almond extract?
Oh, we also have to put that.
Just a dash. Now watch. When you pour it, just kind of tap it out. Watch, let me show you. Let me show you how to do this. Here. So you just want to dash. Now you just want to see, that's perfect.
Okay, now you put a bit of almond extract, and then you mix it together. It smells really good. Okay, so we're just mixing it, and it should look a bit like yellowish. It smells very good. So when it looks like it's mostly mixed in, then you could serve it. So let me show you guys what it looks like when it's all mixed. Here it is all mixed up. It looks like a bit tannish, if you can't really tell, because you add honey, and I wish you guys could smell it. It smells really good. So I'm gonna try to get as much yogurt off of here. So yeah, see, I'm gonna go serve this to Mom, and I'll see you. Product. We have some yogurt here, some strawberries and graham crackers. You can always buy some other ingredients that would match with it. So yeah, I'm gonna go deliver to my mom and see you later. This video. Hopefully that helped you with a snack, good for after school or something. So see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like that video and hit the bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Bye.